Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you guys how to remove key scratches from behind your door handles without disassembling them or using any type of machine to do so. So let's get started. What I'm going to be using is Adam's correcting compound and one of their microfiber utility towels as a cutting agent. So you're going to want to get a little bit on your utility towel like this and just use your fingers and work it into the area with all the scratches, and it will remove them. Unfortunately, I don't know if you can see the scratches on the door handle right about here, and there's some other ones on the back side of this handle you're not going to be able to see. So I'm going to do my best to show you guys how to remove them safely without taking the handle itself apart or using any type of machine. You're going to want to work this in until it starts to get almost clear. That way you know the polish has worked and it's ready to be removed. Now, I don't think you guys can see it in the camera, unfortunately, because of the shadow here. There's still some scratches in there. Now this door handle is starting to look really good, and I've got the majority of these scratches out from behind the door handle itself. Now some of them are a little deeper than the others, which means they will need to be a little wet sanded. I'm not going to do that today. This is just to show you how to remove the light scratches. So now I'm going to take the finishing polish with a clean side of the utility towel and polish this out. So that's going to remove any of the haze and or streaking of the heavy correction compound. Now before you start doing any type of correction or polishing like I'm doing to this area, you want to make sure it's clean. So you can use a waterless wash or maybe some detail spray if there's no dirt or contaminants on the surface. And then follow it with a clay bar just to make sure all of the embedded contaminants are removed so you're not causing further issues for yourself. So I'm just going over the area with the finishing polish just to remove any of the haze left over from the heavy correction compound and to give it that nice finish. It's going to enhance the gloss, smooth out the clear, level everything out. Take a clean side, just wipe the finishing polish off. There you go. Now that's how to safely remove any of the scratches behind your door handle that look like this to now looking like this. If you guys enjoyed this video, as always, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, make sure you stay tuned because at 500 subscribers my next Adams Polishes giveaway is coming, so stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one.